Are you ready to supercharge your customer engagement and streamline your marketing efforts? In this tutorial, we'll delve into the world of ManyChat, where, where you will learn how to create interactive and automated conversations that can boost your businesses like never before. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, let's transform your way you connect with your audience. Ready to get started? Let's go. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can get started with ManyChat.com. So first of all, all I have to do is open your browser and dive into ManyChat.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. So what is ManyChat? ManyChat is a chatbot platform that allows businesses to create automated conversations on messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. It helps streamline customer interactions, enabling businesses to engage with their audience, answer inquiries, send promotions, and nurture leads too, without needing constant manual input. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, ManyChat empowers marketers to enhance customer experience and drive sales through conversational marketing. So here we have various information like the first one. Here we have unleash the power of chat marketing, drive more sales and conversion on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger using automation. If you scroll down, you'll find here Instagram DMS, answer every single question, comment and story reply 7 per 24 hours to attract more leads, increase sales and drive higher conversion on EG. Then we have your WhatsApp. Use WhatsApp automation to help customers discover products, to drive order information and deliver customer support, all on autopilot. Then we have your Facebook Messenger. ManyChat for Messenger automates conversations to fill more sales, generate leads to automate fakes and run marketing campaigns. If you scroll down, you'll find here use chat marketing to drive more sales on autopilot. We have like supercharge your lead generation, increase conversion rates by up to 90%. Then we have here automatically respond to every message, and we have also here claim back your time and slash costs. No teach experience, no worries. Discover why over than 1 million brands trust ManyChat. So first of all, we have here the pricing. So choose a ManyChat plan that's right for you. We have here it's for free. Get started with access to ManyChat basic features to engage up to 1,000 contacts, free for off charge. Here we have get started, no credit card or charge card required. Here we have channel access, Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, and we have WhatsApp also. Then we have your key features. You have like ultimate conversations, unlimited custom flows to engage up to 1,000 contacts. Then we have your acquire new customers, access basic growth tools to drive leads to your automation. Then we have your segment your contacts, 10 customer tags. Then if you wanna click over get started, you'll find this page. Here we have 4 options. You choose the one you want. For example, here we have Instagram, supercharge your social media marketing with Instagram automation. You have Facebook Messenger, create a Facebook Messenger automation to keep customers happy. Then you have WhatsApp, choose the most popular mobile messaging app in the world and reach 2 billion users. Then you have Telegram here, power up your business with Telegram automation. So I will choose Instagram, and then I will find other page, which is this one, home page, as you can see. So here we have the home page. We have here several things. Before, let's know how you can start. Start here, sell products in DMS, send a product line app in Instagram DMS. We have written rate leads with stories, use limited time offers in your stories to convert leads. You have recognize questions in DM with EA, identify and respond to common user inquiries. Here we have the first one, sell products in DMS, business value here, and how it does work. I'll just read this and know to more understand. Then you click over Shop Template. As you can see, here we have a trigger as an event that starts your automation. Click to add a trigger. click over here and you can just start chatting. Connect a messaging channel to start chatting with your customers. You can just connect your channel Instagram and then you get started. So here we have a new trigger here, and we have here send a message. I'm so excited, you'd like to see what if got on offer. You have just to add a button here and you choose if it is Instagram, EA step, open website, perform actions, condition, measure, smart delay, start another automation, and then you click over done. Then we have this one. I'm so excited, like to see what I've got on offer. Then we have your products, your second product, and your other button here. Then we have here this one. You have just to click for new track, send messages, show you. Then we have this one. Here we have waiting 60 seconds, and we have here top below to check them out. And we have here add one of the content blocks, text, add simple text and buttons, image, post engagement with visuals, delay, we have wait a few seconds in between text. Then we have data collection, collect emails, phones, and more. Then we have here more, view, and all available options, and then you click over choose the next step, which is choose Instagram or EA step, perform actions, condition, randomizer, smart delay. Then also we have here contacts. Have your basic sequences, and we have my automation. Then we have here live chat, podcasting, have settings, profile, and help here. So ManyChat is a chatbot platform that allows businesses to create automated conversations on messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. It helps streamline customer interactions, enabling businesses to engage with their audience, answer inquiries, send promotions, and nurture leads without needing constant manual input. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, ManyChat empowers marketers to enhance customer experience and drive sales through conversational marketing. So ManyChat is a robust platform that enables businesses to automate customer interactions through chatbots. Its user-friendly interface allows to create customized conversation flows and custom automate responses effortlessly. With features like audience segmentation and analytics, you can personalize engagement and refine your marketing strategies. By leveraging ManyChat, you can enhance communication, boost sales, and strengthen customer relationships. Start using ManyChat and revolutionize how you connect with your audience. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.